Hi, to enable and disable app lock on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, just find and open Settings. Here, choose Biometrics and Password tab, and after that, pick your lock screen protection. In my case, it is fingerprints, and also I need to confirm my pattern. And now you should see this setting in which you need to simply enable app lock by tapping on the switcher like this. And after that, in the pop-up window, you need to tap enable and here enable as well. You can select the password for app lock, or you can use lock screen password or custom PIN code. So let's choose custom PIN code. I'm gonna enter all zeros and confirm. After that, you need to simply answer this security question. So let's just try to do this and tap finish. And now we just accessed app lock. So let's actually find this tab. For that, we need to scroll in main settings till the security and privacy. And from here, pick device and data protection. After that, you should see your app lock tag. Select it. And now access with fingerprint or password. I'm gonna use fingerprint. And now you can see this list of apps which you can lock. For example, let's lock Google Chrome. For that, I'm just tapping on the switcher to enable protection. Let's also lock Facebook. And now let's try this out. So I'm gonna try to open Google Chrome. And as you can see, now it requires my fingerprint or password. Let's tap password. And now we need to simply enter it and we'll be able to use this app. Let's check Facebook. And the same for Facebook, so we need to unlock it. And now let's return in the same setting. Here we can tap settings icon, check password type. Let's enter our custom one. And from custom, you can switch to lock screen password. Also, you can change your custom PIN and change security question and disable app lock. So if you wanna disable it at all, then tap this option. If you wanna unlock some apps, then go back here and in the menu, tap on the switchers near apps you wanna unlock, just like this. And now all of your apps would be opened immediately. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.